Need to lock down your phone instantly and stop all biometric unlocks, smart unlocks, and even hide notification? Your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a powerful tool called lockdown mode that gives you one-tap control over your phone's privacy. Let's see how to activate it and what it does. First, head into Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Secure Lock Setting. Enter your current screen lock. Now, turn on Show Lockdown Mode option. Next, let's try it out. Swipe down from the top right to open up the Quick Settings panel. Tap the power icon. You will now see a new option named Lockdown Mode. You can tap it when you want your phone to turn off face and fingerprint unlock, disable extend unlock, and hide all lock screen notification. Your phone will then instantly lock, and you can only be unlocked using your PIN, pattern, or password. However, you have to remember that lockdown mode is temporary, which means as soon as you unlock your phone, all the settings is disabled like biometric, smart unlock, and lock screen notification will be restored automatically. So, given to the function, you can use lockdown mode whenever you need a strong one-time lock, maybe before handing your phone to someone else, going into a crowded place, or just when you want full control. It's a quick way to protect your phone in seconds, and everything returns to normal after your next unlock. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.